Hey foodies, what's up? Today we're diving headfirst into a legendary Andhra experience right here in Indranagar, Sitara Dakshin. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Alright, let's soak in the vibe. Sitara Dakshin has a really welcoming feel, perfect for digging into some serious South Indian comfort food. We're getting a sneak peek behind the scenes where the magic happens. You can already smell those authentic Andhra spices. It's gonna be good. First up, we're warming things up with their drumstick soup. This smells absolutely divine, earthy, perfectly spiced. Let's give it a try. That's pure comfort in a bowl. Now for the appetizers. Look at this spread. We've got their signature fish fry. It looks incredibly crispy. Then the classic Andhra chicken fry. You know that's gonna pack a punch. And this chicken starter, get in my belly. Let's start with the fish fry. Oh my goodness, that's perfectly crispy on the outside and the fish is so tender and flavorful. The spices are just right. Okay, next up the Andhra chicken fry. Wow, that spice level is fantastic. It's got that signature Andhra heat, but it's so addictive, so crispy too. And finally, this chicken starter, this is just bursting with flavor. It's juicy, the spices are incredible, the perfect way to kick off an Andhra feast. Alright, brace yourselves. Feast your eyes on this majestic Andhra non-veg thali. Look at this incredible spread. So many vibrant colors and tempting aromas. This is a culinary adventure on a single plate. Let's dive into these curries. This fish curry is tangy and spicy, just how I like it. And this curry is rich and creamy. So much flavor packed into each bite. You know, the beauty of a thali is how all the different elements come together. The rice, the tangy chutneys, the crispy papad, it all complements each other perfectly. You know I had to try their biryani. This looks absolutely incredible. The aroma alone is making my mouth water. Let's see what all the hype is about. Oh my god, the rice is so fragrant, the meat is so tender and flavorful. The spices are perfectly balanced. This is seriously good biryani. And finally, to end this incredible meal, we have their mango dessert. Look at how vibrant and juicy this looks. That's the perfect sweet ending. So refreshing and delicious. Wow, what an incredible Andhra feast at Sitara Dakshin. From the flavorful starters to that amazing biryani and the delightful dessert, this place in Indranagar, Bangalore is a must visit if you're craving authentic Andhra flavors. So have you been to Sitara Dakshin? What are your favorite dishes? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!